Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Venky's GK Bank. This is an excellent platform to prepare for your IAS, IPS and other competitive exams. We provide competitive questions with the latest edition. You will be given 10 seconds to choose the right answer. So without any further ado, let's get started. What is always in front of you but can't be seen? Your time starts now. The right answer is your future. Question number 2. What can you break even if you never pick it up or touch it? Your time starts now. The right answer is a promise. Question number 3. I have branches but no fruit, trunk or leaves. What am I? Your time starts now. The answer is a bank. Question number 4. What can travel all around the world without leaving its corner? Your time starts now. The right answer is a stamp. Question number 5. What has one eye but can't see? Your time starts now. The right answer is a needle. Question number 6. If you drop me, I'm sure to crack, but give me a smile and I'll always smile back. What am I? Your time starts now. The right answer is a mirror. Question number 7. What has 6 faces but does not wear makeup? Has 21 eyes but cannot see? What is it? Your time starts now. The right answer is a dice. Question number 8. I have no feet, no hands, no wings, but I climb to the sky. What am I? Your time starts now. The right answer is smoke or dust. Question number 9. If you have me, you want to share me. If you share me, you haven't got me. What am I? Your time starts now. The right answer is a secret. Question number 10. I am full of holes, but I can still hold water. What am I? Your time starts now. The right answer is a sponge. Question number 11. What goes up when the rain comes down? Your time starts now. The right answer is an umbrella. Question number 12. A man rode out of town on Sunday. He stayed a whole night at a hotel and rode back to the town the next day on Sunday. How is it possible? Your time starts now. The right answer is the horse which he rode was named Sunday. Question number 13. What belongs to you but other people use it more than you? Your time starts now. The right answer is your name. Question number 14. What breaks yet never falls and what falls yet never breaks? Your time starts now. The right answer is day and night. Question number 15. What has a head, a tail, is brown, and has no legs? Your time starts now. The right answer is a coin. Question number 16. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What are they? Your time starts now. The right answer is footsteps. Question number 18. What has many keys but can't even open a single door? Your time starts now. The right answer is a piano. Question number 19. What can fill a room but takes up no space? Your time starts now. The right answer is a light. Question number 20. What is so fragile that saying its name breaks it? Your time starts now. The right answer is silence. I hope you got some insights on how to prepare for your UPSC IAS civil services exams. If you like our content, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.